You will just go and see whether there is a movement of chest. If it is not there, you can place your hand. I don't see his movement because he is wearing so much, but I can, right. So I can feel it, or go and take your ear very close. Three parts. Chest is moving, put your hand, or listen with the ear. Means breath.
ఊపిరి తీసేది ఎలా చూస్తామంటే ఫస్ట్ మూమెంట్ చేస్తాం ఎలా లేదా చూస్తాం అతను టైట్ వేసుకున్నాను యూజువల్లీ తెలుస్తుంది మూమెంట్ ఉందా లేదా అనేసి దాని తర్వాత మనం బ్రీతింగ్ వింటాం చెవి పెట్టుకుంటే చూడు ఫీల్ చేసి అక్కడ చేయి పెట్టుకొని ఫీల్ చేయవచ్చు అలా చాలా టైం దాన్ని స్పెండ్ చేయదు 5 సెకండ్స్ లోపల ఇవన్నీ చేయాలి.
So again we will go back and value. Patient is unconscious. We form pulse, breathing, turn patient towards left side only, then you go. You have turned the patient towards the left side, you have given first aid for the medical time. Clear?
ఎవరో పడిపోయారు చూడలేదు మనం ఏం చూసాం డైరెక్ట్ పల్స్ ఉందా చూసాం ఉంది వెంటనే మనం చూసాం చూగా ఉందా లేదా సోమా ఉంది అంటే బ్రీదింగ్ చేస్తున్నారంటే లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఎలా వస్తుంది మనం ఆల్రెడీ తెలిసేసాం కాబట్టి వస్తుంది.
So clear? Now person is having no pulse, no breath. You have to start CPR. I told you traditional CPR is 30 compression, then 2 pump. 30 compression, then 2 pump. You cannot stop it till medical team comes. Right? Now here is a little twist. I will tell you both things. If you are going to do chest compression, I will tell you how to put the hands. My second part is that how you are going to breathe mouth to mouth. I am telling this thing when you child at home, your own child won't hesitate. Your spouse won't hesitate to breathe. So how you are going to breathe? It is something like you have to do chest compression and then you have to put it, hold the knee, tilt towards back, then you have to open it. Open it is conscious. Please remember, close the nose and then give the deep breath. If you don't close the nose, the air will go through the mouth and come back from the nose. Clear? Clear? Now, very important part is that CPR. You don't want to give mouth breath, it's okay. But if you have to do CPR, just go to the patient, your shoulder, your elbow, and your knee should be in the center of the nipples, like that. Correct? I am not going to push it. So, I told you where to give between the nipples line, the center of the chest. Put it between your shoulder, your elbow, and your wrist, heel of the palm, exactly one on another, and then push it hard. How much hard? At least 2 seconds. Continue breathe. Lower the mouth. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 30 completed. Done. 1, 2, 3. 30 completed. I hope before giving CPR, what you will do? Very important. Before doing CPR, what you will do, sir?
Check the pulse.
You will call an ambulance. See, we are going to do CPR. Do not forget to call a help because you continue to do and help is not coming. You will get exhausted.
All your efforts are going waste.
I did it for 45 minutes and then I placed it. 45 minutes because I told someone to call help. That person thought there is a dead body. Understood, sir? Why I brought our capital people? We get them trained.